Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a kosher cheeseburger. Yes, you heard that right. We're making a cheeseburger that is kosher, and the way we are doing this is by using the Impossible Burger. For those of you who know what the Impossible Burger is, the Impossible Burger is right over here. It is a fake meat patty of burger that looks like ground beef, smells like ground beef, cooks like ground beef, tastes like ground beef, feels like ground beef in your mouth. It is literally the closest you can possibly get to ground beef without actually using meat from a cow. It is absolutely crazy. I cannot wait to show you guys this. So this actually isn't available on the consumer market for kosher people yet. However, I have a friend who got me some of these a little bit under the table so I can show them guys for you. For those who don't keep kosher, you could definitely find them, and they should be coming on the kosher market soon. But I got my hands on these kosher ones, a little under the table swipe. So I'm super excited to show you guys what these are. They're absolutely amazing. Now, before we actually cook this, on the stovetop right over here, I have a cast iron skillet. And I'm going to just toast my bun a little bit. Now, typically if making a burger, I would toast the bun while the meat's cooking in there. But since we're actually gonna put cheese on this, because we can, since it's not real meat, and for those of you who know, when you keep kosher, we don't mix meat and milk products, so typically I can't have a cheeseburger, so this will be the first time for me. And so typically since we're putting the cheese on there and I'm gonna put a dome, it just won't work with the bun, so I'm gonna pre-toast the buns, just a little bit of oil. All right, and now to this, I'm gonna add in a burger bun that I just sliced in half, and you just wanna kind of toast this until it gets nice and golden brown on the bottom. All right, that quickly, there we go. We have some nicely toasted buns over here that I'm going to set aside. And now let's start cooking our Impossible Burger. So I'm gonna turn down the flame a little bit because I don't want it too hot. I'm gonna add in a little bit more oil, and this should cook pretty quickly. You're gonna cook it just like a regular burger. So right over here, I have our Impossible patty. I mean, look at that. That literally looks like ground beef. Like if I didn't tell you this wasn't real ground beef, you probably would not be able to tell the difference. Okay, we got a little oil going on in there. And let's place this patty right on there. And there we go. And now, hear that sizzle? Starts cooking just like ground beef. This is gonna be very familiar for you guys. It's not like a veggie burger. This is next level. It's literally like ground beef. I can't stress it anymore. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it until the bottom is nice and golden brown, just like you get on a regular burger, that nice crust. I'm gonna flip it, add on our cheese, and I'm gonna put the dome on top, and I don't wanna cook it too long because I want that nice medium rare inside. Just like a regular burger, you could also cook this medium rare, which is so awesome. All right, let's go for a flip, and there you go. Look at that amazing crust on there. Absolutely crazy. Now over here, I'm just gonna grab some slices of American cheese. You know, we're making all American burger. So let's just get some slices of that right on to here. This is a sight I have literally never seen in my life because first time making a cheeseburger. And let's just cover that. Now, we're gonna let this cook for a few more minutes. I'm gonna turn down the flame slightly because I want it to be evenly cooked in the inside. We're gonna wait for the cheese to melt, and then it is cheeseburger making time. Okay, so I think our burger is now done. Our cheese is nice and melted. So let's just grab this over here, and let's get this. Oh my God, this looks absolutely incredible. Okay, now let's add all the classic toppings. So I'm actually gonna lift this up a little bit so we can put in a little piece of some fresh lettuce on the bottom. Then we got the burger, got some slices of onion on here. Let's see what else we have. We have a slice of tomato. Now we're going all out classic American cheeseburger. And let's also get some pickle. These are kind of big, so I'm gonna cut in half. A little bit of pickle. Then finally on the top bun, let's just spread some ketchup over here. And you know what, let's also put a little bit of mayo, why not? Onto there. And there you go. This kind of reminded me of when I made a Krabby Patty. But when I made the Krabby Patty, I used fake cheese. This is real cheese. Look at that. This is absolutely insane. It is super high and it is just super cheesy and delicious. Looks like a real cheeseburger, and I'll have no idea if it tastes like it, but I'm gonna ask my cameraman to try it also for you guys so that we can actually see if it tastes like a real burger. So let's now slice it in half so we can get a nice view. All right, let's hope for a nice medium rare inside. Who knows? If not, though, it'll still be good. All right, ready for this? Oh my God, look how incredible it looks. I'm just gonna place one right here. Look at that. We have the bun, the lettuce. Does that not look like ground beef? That looks like a real burger right there. Like if I gave this to you on the street and didn't tell you it was an Impossible Burger, you would have no idea. We have the cheese, we have the tomato, we have the pickle, we have the mayo, we have the ketchup. It's all coming together into basically a real cheeseburger. This is actually crazy. All right, let's go in for a bite. This is literally a burger. Okay, so now I just cut the other half in half, and I've never done something like this before, but I have two awesome people who help me film my videos, and they've actually had cheeseburgers before. So I'm gonna now give this to them, and I want you guys to try this and tell me what you think. Does it taste at all like a real cheeseburger? Let me know. Does it taste at all like a cheeseburger-ish?
Wow, that's delicious. Totally. Yeah.
It does? All right, that's really cool here.
It's better though, honestly, because it's got a really nice crispy.
It's really crispy, right? It's crazy. If I didn't tell you that was ground beef, you'd have no idea.
I'm not gonna lie, I like that more than.
Well, you guys heard it here first. The Impossible Burger, when you make it as a cheeseburger, the kosher version, it apparently tastes just like a real cheeseburger, which I think is super cool.